Spring is here, and your home deserves a fresh start. Welcome back to Lana Decor. Today we are diving into gorgeous Magnolia-Style farmhouse DIY ideas that will completely transform your space this season. Whether you're a seasoned decorator or just starting out, these projects are made for you. Let's get into it. If you want that signature Joanna Gaines look without breaking the bank, a Shiplap accent wall is your best starting point. Use thin plywood strips or peel-and stick panels, paint them in a warm, creamy white, and watch your entire living room transform. It anchors the space beautifully and gives every room that cozy, grounded farmhouse feeling we all love. Nothing says spring farmhouse quite like a cluster of galvanized buckets overflowing with dried pampas grass, white anemones, and baby's breath. Raid your garage or hit a thrift store for old tin cans and metal containers, then let the blooms do the talking. This centerpiece costs almost nothing but delivers that effortless, collected charm straight from the Magnolia market. Open shelving is the heartbeat of a Joanna Gaines kitchen, and building your own is easier than you think. Cut white oak or walnut planks to size, mount them with matte black iron brackets, and style with stacked linen, vintage crockery, and potted herbs. The contrast of warm wood against black iron gives your walls instant character and purpose. Refreshing your sofa for spring does not have to mean spending a fortune on new furniture. Simply sew or use iron-on hem tape to create linen pillow covers in soft cream with a classic black ticking stripe. This one small change shifts the entire mood of your living room into something lighter, breezier, and undeniably farmhouse fresh for the season. A wall filled with layered woven baskets is one of those Magnolia signatures that looks expensive, but is surprisingly affordable to pull together. Mix seagrass, rattan, and wicker in varying sizes, then arrange them in an organic cluster on your shiplap or white wall. The texture, The warmth and the natural tones make this one of the most impactful DIY wall statements you can create. Your front door deserves a spring moment, and this wreath delivers it with ease. Start with a grapevine or boxwood base, then layer in faux magnolia leaves, dried lemon slices, eucalyptus sprigs, and a soft white linen ribbon. It is the kind of wreath that makes neighbors slow down, the kind that whispers welcome before you even open the door. Wooden bead garlands are one of those deceptively simple details that Joanna uses to bring warmth and rhythm to a styled space. String natural wood beads yourself using twine or thin rope, then drape them casually across your mantel or bookshelf. Paired with white candles and a touch of greenery, this garland ties an entire vignette together with relaxed, rustic elegance. Milk Glass is having a well-deserved moment in farmhouse decor, and thrifting a collection is one of the most satisfying weekend hunts you can do. Gather pieces in varying heights, fill them with pale yellow ranunculus, white tulips, and Queen Anne's lace, and arrange them as a loose cluster on a sideboard or shelf. The softness and vintage warmth they bring to spring styling is absolutely unmatched. Forget fabric runners for spring and try something entirely organic instead. Lay bundles of dried cotton stems, wheatgrass, and fresh eucalyptus directly down the center of your dining table for a loose, effortless arrangement that feels gathered rather than decorated. Add beeswax taper candles and white ceramic plates, and your table becomes a scene straight out of a Magnolia entertaining spread. Swapping out heavy or patterned curtains for simple, unlined linen panels is one of the fastest ways to shift a room into that airy Magnolia farmhouse mood. Hang them high and wide on a thick wooden dowel with natural wood rings, and let the fabric pool slightly at the floor. The way spring light filters through natural linen is genuinely one of the most beautiful things in home decor. This project looks like something from a boutique home store, but costs a fraction of the price to build yourself. Pour a small concrete circle into a cardboard mold, let it cure fully, then attach tapered wood legs or sleek hairpin metal legs. Seal the top and style it with a clay vase and a single magnolia stem. Raw, honest, and quietly beautiful. Layering rugs is one of those styling tricks that seems subtle but completely transforms the grounding of a room. Start with a large natural jute rug as your base, then layer a smaller cowhide or vintage-style rug on top at a slight angle. The depth, texture, and visual warmth this creates is exactly what Joanna means when she talks about making a house feel truly lived in and loved. Chippy white paint on wooden lanterns gives your home that time-worn, storied quality that is impossible to fake with new pieces. Sand your lanterns lightly. Dry brush white paint over the surface, leaving texture and imperfection visible. Then fill them with pillar candles and spring greenery. Place them on your porch, mantel, or entryway and let them glow with that gentle, nostalgic farmhouse warmth. Tall glass apothecary jars filled with preserved moss, smooth river stones, and air plants are the kind of zero-maintenance decor that earns you compliments every single week. The layers of natural texture visible through the glass create an almost sculptural quality on any shelf or countertop. They thrive in spring light, require almost no care, and look like they belong in a magnolia greenhouse. And that wraps up our spring 2026 Magnolia-Style farmhouse DIY ideas, and honestly, every single one of them has the power to completely shift the feel of your home this season. From shiplap walls to linen pillow covers, from bead garlands to layered rugs, The beauty of farmhouse decorating is that it is warm, personal, and always within reach. If you enjoyed today's video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Lana Decor so you never miss a new upload, and drop a comment below telling us which DIY project you are trying first. We love hearing from you.